Understanding garden tools in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, garden tools. This might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's dig in and unearth the essence of this phrase. Garden tools are instruments used in gardening and landscaping. They include items like shovels, rakes, pruners, and hoses. These tools help in various gardening tasks such as planting, weeding, and watering. Understanding the literal meaning is crucial for contextual comprehension. 1. Shovel. Used for digging and moving soil. 2. Rake. Helps in gathering leaves or smoothing soil. 3. Pruners. Used for trimming and shaping plants. 4. Hose. Essential for watering plants. Knowing these common tools and their purposes can enrich your vocabulary, especially when discussing gardening or outdoor activities. Sometimes, garden tools can be used metaphorically. For example, when someone says, "You need the right garden tools to succeed," they mean that you need the right resources or skills for a particular job, not actual gardening instruments. This metaphorical use is common in English and shows the language's flexibility and creativity. English is rich with idioms, and some involve garden tools. For instance, to rake over old coals means to bring up past issues that are better left forgotten. Understanding these idioms is essential for advanced English learners and can add a layer of sophistication to your conversations. I hope this video has been enlightening and has expanded your understanding of the phrase, garden tools, in English. Remember, language is not just about words, but how they are used in different contexts. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.